In this lesson, learn some important Google AI Studio settings. We will set the dark mode for the Google AI Studio. With that, we will also enable the autosave option. Let us first change it to dark mode. Here I'll go below settings and here I'll set dark. I have enabled the dark mode. Here is the API plan information. So from here you can enable auto saving. We will try, but it is not working, so I'll go here and select enable autosave. It will again ask me to log in. So I am logging with my basic Gmail account. You can use any Gmail account. So it enabled autosave. Go here again settings and you can see auto saving enabled now. Okay. Now when you'll go here, you can see you already logged in with your Gmail ID. Click here and from here you can switch your account. You can also check the API plan information from here. So these were the settings.